Hi, I'm Jenny Francis and I'm going to show you today how to do this Crackle tumbler from start to finish. I guess it may be a tutorial. It will be my first tutorial, so please bear with me. So let's get started. Today I'm going to attempt a Crackle cup. The only things you need are Elmers school glue, some acrylic paint, a big brush, and some time. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to put some Elmer glue on the cup. I'm just going to put it on my little thing. We're just going to paint it on, let it dry some, then I will put on the acrylic. I'm just going to put the toner on to try and make it easier. I haven't tried this before, so I thought I'd do it. How many times have you tried something and didn't record it and you're like, you wish you did? So I'm just quickly doing it. Hopefully it will work. I don't know if it will. Just got to let it dry, make sure it's coated. Try and keep it a thin layer. I don't know if it's drying really quick or if it's just being a rat bag. Hopefully you can see okay. Just let that dry. Then once it's starting to dry, it's going to dry clear as far as I'm aware. I did see this technique from Mr. Nola, and I thought I'd give it a go. Okay. Might work. If this works, I will do other versions of it. I just don't know if it's drying or if it's just being... It's okay. We'll see how we go. Just don't know if it's... Hopefully... Just making sure I've covered it all. Okay, now we've done, I've waited a bit, but I don't want it to dry completely. I'm going to do a purple crackle because I didn't have white. So, just pop the lid on that. I've washed the brush. So now I'm just going to get it all nice. I might need to turn off my turner so I can do it in one go. Alright, let's see how this goes. So start up there and go in one stroke. Hopefully. I'm going to need a bit more paint, I think. And we do it again. You shouldn't need to go back over it, but it looks like I'm going to have to. Should be fine. We'll see how it turns out. Alright. Now I'm going to quickly do the cup, and then I'm going to let it dry completely, and I'll come back and show you the results. Definitely going to need more paint. I think I might be putting it on too thick. That's okay. Why is it that you want to touch it up when you know it's not done? Couple of more swoops and this one will be ready to dry. I have to go and touch it up. It's driving me nuts. Alright, I'm just going to put this on. Starting to crackle. You just want to touch it. Welcome back. Just giving you a quick update on how it's going. It's cracking nicely. You wouldn't think two simple products would do this effect, but it has. I am absolutely over the moon with it. It still needs a few drying. There's still a few spots that are still wet, but we'll just keep it turning and see how we go. Now the hardest part is what type of design I will put on it, but it's too early for that, so I've got some time. Alright then guys, I'll come back in a little bit. We are now up to the stage of it's been sealed, and now I'm going to do the epoxy stage, then decide what decal. And it's had the first coat of resin, and I've put the decal on, and then I'm going to do the next coat of resin, and then she'll be ready. Just thought I'd quickly show you the end result of the Crackle tumbler that I done. Hopefully you can see that okay. Thanks for watching.